last 5 minutes, you can go away. Welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Irma. So for today's vlog, guys, I'm going to show you how I curl my hair using my curler iron. I have this for like 4 years na, guys, and I bought this from Thailand during my trip with my best friend Celine. And I bought this around 4,000 pesos. And actually, I love this, guys, for very quick curl or like beachy curl type of hair. So I set this for 180, like ito. So it says 180. Ang ginagawa ko, guys, gamit itong pantali ko, I divide my hair into 3 portions. Tapos ginaganyan ko lang siya. So, yung buhok ko pala, guys, kagabi ko pa siya niligo. Ito lang. Tapos, gagawin nyo, guys. Wala, parang init yata. What I usually do, guys, is paano siya, ganyan. I do it outward kasi mas safer para medyo palayo siya sa mukha mo ba. And then you leave it for like few seconds. Okay. There you go. So, actually, guys, pag ako nagko-curl ng buhok, wala akong ina-apply na kahit ano or like spray or anything. Careful kayo, guys, ha. Dapat outward talaga siya para hindi siya madikit sa mukha niyo. Tapos, ito-turn mo lang siya ng ganyan. Madali naman siya gamitin, guys, eh. I also have a flat iron. Minsan dati yun din yung ginagamit ko pang curl. But I prefer this one kasi medyo mas wavy yung effect niya. Ayan, nakikita na yung mga chismis natin. Actually, guys, medyo hindi na ako sanay mag-curl ngayon kasi since pandemic, minsan na lang talaga, bihira na lang talaga ako mag-curl ng hair kasi hindi man din ako lumalabas. That you we've got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes. So leave it for like 5 seconds or more, and then feeling nyo okay na siya. Tada! Ganyan! Yun! Goodness! So let's do the other side. Always make sure you do it outward, guys, para yung kulot niya, pag ganyan, mas maganda. Tingnan. Maganda din talaga, guys, pag mag-invest kayo ng mga ganito para sa sarili nyo kasi Kaya di na kayo kailangan magpa-hairstyle or magbayad ng salon para lang kulitin yung buhok nyo. And then, anytime kasi nagagamit ko like, super useful.
It's your time. Show off your fancy quality. Whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that I can see it now, see it now, see now. Best foot forward, don't catch you slipping. Never know the things that you're feeling. Capture your body, get your best side. Breathe in the world, fake us a smile. Walk in the lines, fine. But I hope one day you'll break through. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life.
There you go.
See me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life.
I'm gonna turn it off first. So guys, ito na siya. If you guys like to put a spray after you curl, go ahead, but I don't. So this is how it looks like. Yes. So it's as quick as 5 minutes. You can curl your hair using the curler iron like this. There.
No! God, please, no!
Maganda siya guys pag pumupunta kayo ng beach tapos ganito ka, lalaki yung wave niya. Parang wave sa dagat. Dun sa mga nakaka-afford naman, I would suggest mag-invest kayo ng mga gamit na kailangan nyo and forever nyo nagagamit kasi worth it sa magbabayad pa kayo ng ibang tao and anytime pa magagawa nyo ito sa bahay, diba? So yes, there you go! How I curl my hair. Okay guys, this is the end of the vlog. I hope you guys like it, the way how I curl my hair. And if you did, please give this video a thumbs up, like a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel guys. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye bye. Stay safe everyone. I love